Hello everyone. Now we are going to see how to work with dataset in Python programming. Already I have done the basic programming in with dataset. So I have just run all the codings. So I have just explained now. So for that, this is the header file, the basic header file we need to import for Python programming working with the dataset. So next we need to import the dataset. So we need to import the dataset. First we have to download the dataset from any data repository. I have taken this iris dataset from Google website. So I have downloaded the dataset and I have imported the same dataset. I have imported here. So by using this format I have imported the file here. After that, so I can print. So first, after importing the dataset, first I am printing the data set. So print of by using the code print of data. So while giving print of data, all the datas in the data set will be printed, that is from starting to last. So in the data set it contains 149, that is 150 data set. So 0 to 149. So all the datas will be displayed when giving print of data, because I am storing the data set in the name of data. So print of data will be printed all the data set. Next, so after that, print of data dot sample of 2. So data in data, so I am asking, so give any 2 samples from the data set. So it will print any 2 data set. So now I am first time execution, it will print it will give some data. So while running the second time in the same data set, it will give some other data, because sample of 2, it will take any 2 samples from the data set. Randomly, it will take randomly any 2 data set, and column print of data dot column, it will print of data dot column will give only the column names in the data set. It will give only the column names. Then shape, print of data dot shape. Shape means size, 150 rows and 6 columns, that is shape. So 150 rows and 6 columns. And also print of sliced underscore data, sliced. So I am specified what is the slice here, 2 to 5, that is n minus 1, 2 to n minus 1. So 2, 3, 4. Print of sliced data, that is sliced data will be printed when giving print of sliced dot data. So before giving the sliced underscore data, we need to specify what is a slice, we need to mention it. And next, data dot head of 4, that is the top from 0 to 4, first 4 datas, 0, 1, 2, 3, first 4 datas will be printed. Next, in the specific column name, so I am specified the column name sepal length. So in that I am asking to print sum and mean and median value from the specific columns sepal length. So I am asking the sum, mean and median value. So when giving the sum of function, median of function and mean of function, this is default function used in Python. So when giving these functions, it will print the sum, mean, median values. Likewise, we can specify any column name, that is say I am giving the same column name sepal length, min and maximum value. So min of x and max of x. So in the given specific column, it will print the minimum and maximum value, that is 4.3 and 7.9. These are the minimum and maximum values in the given column name. And also head, axis 1 means row wise printing, sum of axis 1. So all the sum values in the so just data dot head means without specifying any values, it will print the first 5 rows. That is the meaning of data. Data means that is we are stored the data set in the name of data. So in the data set, data dot head of without specify any numerical number, it will take automatically, it will consider first 5 rows. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that I am asking to give the sum value, sum of axis 1. Axis 1 means column, so that is row values, row. So in that head, first 5 columns, so sum value, sum of first row is 11.2 and sum of second row is 11.5. Likewise, first 5 rows sum values will be printed. And next, here the basic plotting program. So for plotting function, we need to import matplotlib library function. This is very important and necessary file for plotting the program. Figure of, this is also important. plt.figure of, without this function the figure will not be printed. So figure, we can mention the figure size 4,4, 5,5, 6,6. we can mention any size 4,4. so I am giving here 4,4. and next, data sum of values, plot of sum of values, that is in the data, that is that data set, the sum of values. X label name is index and Y label name is sum of values. X label name is index, Y label name is sum of values, and title, the figure title is plot of sum values. And plt.grid of true means grid lines. So we have to specify whether the grid lines will be shown in the output or not. So if we are not giving grid of true means automatically it will be printed. So if I am we no need the grid lines means we need to specify false here. If you are giving false means the grid lines will not be printed in the output screen in the figure. So the final plt.show function is very, very important. When giving this function only, the whole figure will be printed in the output screen. So these are the basic functions, basic program by using the dataset in Python. So with the dataset we can show the specific column name, specific and column values and row values, and also we can plot the diagram by using the dataset. Thank you.